Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can collapse down deleted clips on the timeline in Premiere Pro CC. So currently on the timeline I have split this video up into 4 separate clips, and at the minute if I click on one of the clips and then I press the delete key, as you can see it deletes that clip from the timeline, but it doesn't move all these other clips back up in line with the first clip, so I would have to select them and then drag them in line like so. Now a quick way to do this is instead of pressing the delete key, instead we click on the clip that we want to delete and then we hold down the Alt key and then press the backspace key on the keyboard. And what that does is that collapses the deleted clip down, so it deletes the clip and then it moves all the other clips in line to the next one here. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this and I'll see you another time. Bye.